Hello and welcome to the fascinating world of avocados. Today we embark on a journey to explore the incredible rise of this beloved fruit. Here in the heart of this orchard, we witness a modern-day gold rush. These lush green trees are the source of a booming industry that has taken the world by storm. But instead of precious metal, it's a vibrant green fruit that's captured the world's attention. The avocado, with its unique taste and numerous health benefits, has become a staple in kitchens around the globe. The avocado, once a humble fruit, has become a global phenomenon. Its journey from obscurity to fame is a testament to its versatility and appeal. From ancient civilizations to modern-day foodies, the avocado has found its place in history. Its creamy texture and rich flavor have propelled it to superfood stardom. Chefs and home cooks alike have embraced the avocado, creating a myriad of dishes that highlight its unique qualities. The numbers tell a compelling story. The global avocado market has seen exponential growth, with demand increasing year after year. This surge in popularity has transformed the avocado industry into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. The global avocado market is now worth billions of dollars. Farmers and producers have ramped up their efforts to meet this growing demand, investing in new technologies and sustainable practices to ensure a steady supply of high-quality avocados. Demand has skyrocketed over the last decade. Consumers are drawn to the avocado's health benefits, including its high levels of healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. This has led to a surge in avocado-based products, from oils and spreads to skincare items. From avocado toast to guacamole, the culinary possibilities seem endless. The avocado's versatility in the kitchen has made it a favorite ingredient in a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. Join me as we journey from the farm to your table, uncovering the secrets of this remarkable fruit. We'll explore the intricate processes involved in growing, harvesting and distributing avocados, and meet the passionate individuals who make it all possible. So sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into the world of avocados like never before. Every avocado we enjoy today traces its lineage back thousands of years. Archaeological evidence suggests avocados were enjoyed by ancient civilizations in Central America. These early inhabitants recognized the avocado's nutritional power and unique flavor. They cultivated and revered this fruit. The avocado's journey from ancient food source to modern-day sensation is a testament to its enduring appeal. But what is it about this fruit, scientifically known as Persea americana, that has captivated generations? Let's delve deeper into the world of avocado cultivation. Avocados thrive in subtropical and tropical climates. Countries like Mexico, Peru, Chile and California boast ideal conditions for large-scale avocado cultivation. These regions provide the warmth and sunshine that avocado trees crave. Commercial avocado farms are a sight to behold. Rows upon rows of trees stretch as far as the eye can see. These aren't your typical backyard trees. These are carefully cultivated, pruned and irrigated to maximize yield and fruit quality. The scale of these operations is truly impressive. Harvesting avocados is a delicate process. The fruit doesn't ripen on the tree, it reaches its peak flavor after being picked. Skilled farmers know just when an avocado is ready for harvest. They look for subtle changes in color and size. Technology plays an increasingly important role in modern avocado harvesting. Handheld sensors can now measure an avocado's oil content and ripeness. This data helps farmers optimize their harvest schedule and ensure only the highest quality fruit is picked. Section 5. The sorting ceremony: size, shape and the pursuit of avocado excellence. Once harvested, the avocados begin a fascinating journey through a state-of-the-art processing facility. The first stop is the sorting station. Here, a symphony of conveyor belts and automated systems whirs into action. Avocados are meticulously sorted by size, weight and shape. Cameras and sensors scan each fruit with incredible precision. Any blemishes or imperfections are detected. This meticulous sorting process ensures that only the finest avocados make it to the next stage. Section 6. A spick and span affair: washing and sanitizing our green friends. Cleanliness is paramount in the world of food processing. After sorting, the avocados undergo a thorough washing and sanitizing process. Specialized brushes gently remove any dirt or debris clinging to the skin. The avocados are then rinsed with purified water. This step ensures that they are free from any potential contaminants. This rigorous cleaning process is crucial for maintaining the avocado's freshness and extending its shelf life. Section 7. Dressed to impress packaging avocados for their global journey. Now clean and sparkling, the avocados are ready for their grand debut. Packaging. Automated systems gently place each avocado in individual protective netting or trays. This prevents bruising during transport. The type of packaging used depends on the avocado's destination. Some are destined for local markets, while others embark on a global journey. Each region has specific packaging standards. This ensures the avocados arrive at their destination in pristine condition. Section 8. The cool factor refrigeration and the quest for avocado freshness. Temperature control is critical for preserving the avocado's delicate flavor and texture. After packaging, the avocados are whisked away to massive, climate-controlled warehouses. Here, they're kept at the optimal temperature for freshness. The journey from farm to fork can be long. Refrigerated trucks and shipping containers equipped with IoT sensors ensure the avocados maintain their cool throughout their voyage. These sensors provide real-time data on temperature, humidity, and location. Section 9. From farm to fork, a journey's end, a delicious beginning. And so our journey culminates at your table. The avocado, a fruit that has traveled through time and space, now finds its place in your home, ready to be savored and enjoyed. From the sun-drenched orchards to your kitchen, the avocado's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our love for delicious, healthy food. Each step, from planting the seed to harvesting the ripe fruit, involves care, dedication, and a deep connection to the earth. Whether it's spread on toast, mashed into guacamole, or used as a creamy addition to your favorite dishes, or sliced in a salad, the avocado brings a unique texture and flavor that enhances any meal. The avocado is a versatile culinary delight. Its creamy texture and rich taste make it a favorite ingredient in kitchens around the world. From gourmet chefs to home cooks, everyone finds a way to incorporate this amazing fruit into their recipes. But the avocado is more than just a pretty face in the fruit bowl. It's a symbol of health and wellness, a fruit that offers more than just good looks. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and heart-healthy fats. Avocados are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and they contain monounsaturated fats that are beneficial for heart health. This humble fruit, once enjoyed by ancient civilizations, has a rich history that spans thousands of years. The Aztecs and Mayans revered the avocado for its nourishing properties and used it in various traditional dishes. Today, the avocado continues to nourish and delight people around the world. Its popularity has soared, making it a staple in many diets and a beloved ingredient in countless recipes. From the Americas to Asia, Europe to Africa, the avocado's journey is far from over. It continues to bring joy, health, and deliciousness to tables everywhere. Section 10. Avocado, extra fun facts and a green call to action. Did you know that the avocado is technically a single-seeded berry? This unique classification sets it apart from other fruits and makes it a fascinating subject for botanists and food enthusiasts alike. The seed, often referred to as the pit, is encased in the creamy, nutrient-rich flesh that we all love, and that it takes over 70 gallons of water to grow just 1 pound of avocados. This high water requirement highlights the importance of efficient irrigation systems and sustainable water management practices in avocado farming. Farmers are constantly innovating to reduce water usage while maintaining the quality of their crops. These are just a few fun facts about this amazing fruit. Avocados come in various shapes and sizes, and their ripening process is a delicate balance of time and temperature. From the moment they are harvested to the time they reach your kitchen, avocados undergo a series of transformations that ensure they are at their peak flavor and texture. As we've seen, the avocado's journey is a marvel of nature and human innovation. From the careful cultivation by dedicated farmers to the sophisticated logistics that bring them to markets worldwide, every step is a testament to the hard work and ingenuity involved in avocado production. So next time you savor the creamy goodness of an avocado, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. Whether you're enjoying it on toast, in a salad, or as guacamole, remember the intricate process that made it possible. Each bite is a celebration of nature's bounty and human effort. And remember, by choosing sustainably sourced avocados, you're supporting responsible farming practices and a greener future. Sustainable farming methods not only conserve water and reduce environmental impact, but also ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this beloved fruit. So, make a conscious choice and contribute to a healthier planet by opting for avocados grown with care and respect for nature.